Years of insecurity in Borno State have severely weakened economic activities, displaced thousands of residents, and created uncertainty over how affected communities can rebuild their livelihoods following prolonged insurgency and banditry. In response to these challenges, a new ray of hope is emerging as the Borno State government, in partnership with the United Nations Development Programme (UNDP), has launched a large-scale vocational training initiative aimed at restoring economic stability and self-reliance. The program targets 10,000 beneficiaries across Maiduguri and surrounding communities, including Kunduga and Bama metropolitan councils.
Let us remember that we are not just handing out materials, we are sharing hope, dignity, and spirit of resilience. It's a reminder that together as a community, we can overcome challenges and emerge stronger. Remember that you are not alone. Our community is here for you, ready to support and uplift one another.
Participants are being trained in various vocational and market-driven skills, with startup support provided to enable them to establish sustainable means of livelihood. Beyond skills acquisition, the initiative focuses on empowering vulnerable individuals to become self-reliant and economically productive within their communities.
The thing that brings us to this place is UNDP that bring us to this place. In our area, life is so hard for us, but till the day that UNDP come to our community, we have a lot of things that we are doing now. We have a lot of things like mechanical, plumbers and that carpentering with that cab, we all have it. And now we are helping ourselves with it, with the thing that they give us to us to help ourselves with it. We are having a business to do now.
The government representative says the program is part of broader efforts to promote peace, stability, and long-term recovery in communities mostly affected by the conflict.
This is one of the efforts by international community to actually localize the humanitarian activities in our community. So what you saw today, or what we saw today, is an effort towards building peace in our own community, where the resilience of the people are built through actually training them and giving them skill. And then after giving them skill, today we are now witnessing startup kits to all the organization or all the young persons that were trained. They were given a startup kit, which we believe this will going to build their resilience as well as bring a lasting peace, because we believe that idleness is one factor that actually fueling the crisis that we are having. So if people were engaged, if people are having what to do, if the local economy is going to be moved, we believe peace will be actually restored in the community.
Once known as the hub of trade and commerce, Borno State economy was heavily disrupted by years of insurgency. However, with empowerment programs like this, residents say they are gradually regaining hope and rebuilding their livelihoods through self-reliance and sustainable economic activities. Sydney Okafo for Anchor News.